So I will talk about electrical energy monitoring. So here at the ETC we use current transformer. So this is a little current transformer. Basically there is a coil inside and we clamp this little bit, this current transformer, onto a cable. When you have alternating current, as you have at home or in a factory, it generates a magnetic field, and that generates a secondary current in this coil that sends a current to this monitor. And this secondary current here is proportional to the current that actually goes through the cable. Hence, we can measure the currents that are present in the cables. So I will demonstrate how we do that on a three-phase motor, because we can monitor three phases. We do all those monitoring to actually help companies see where they are. So we can monitor a whole factory, a building, or a specific piece of kit as well. So we're measuring the amps that are actually pulled by the motor. So that's what the CTs or current transformer are measuring on each of the three phases. The other thing that we are measuring here, one of the phase measures the voltage. So we have the voltage of one of the phase. In that instance is the blue phase. So we have the voltage of this blue phase, how much amperage it's actually pulling. So if we multiply the voltage by the amps, we have the kVA or kilovolts amp, the actual energy that is actually pulled from the grid to energize the motor and make it run. Well, in businesses, we use that type of technique and monitoring that can be either in buildings to look at how they use electricity, or in processes, so in manufacturing. And what we do with all those data we collect, we actually build models where we relate the energy used to the production, or in the building we're looking at the energy used versus the external temperature, if it's a question of heating, or when it's a question of lighting as well. You can look at when people are coming in and out, when they are present, and try to relate activities or what we call actually driving factors. So we try to determine, talk with people, what are the driving factors of the energy used in their process, in their building, in their business. And we try to relate all this monitoring we're doing with actually this driving factor or factors. From those information, we can tell them where is their base load. So when nothing is happening, how much energy are you actually using and how can you tackle that? And the second one is to actually look at how can you improve the efficiency of your process, so that per, let's say, ton of stuff that you are producing, how can you reduce the kilowatts that you are using to produce that? So that's very much talking with the production manager or the business owner, how they can actually tackle that. And look also at the bigger user within a factory, within a process, and see how it can be better managed.